Hi, so in this video, I just wanted to demonstrate one of the Python projects that I worked on. So this project is a weather notification service. So basically, it's a program that retrieves information from a weather website, and it checks the conditions if it's going to rain. And if it is going to rain, then it's going to send me an SMS and let me know. So yeah, I'll just run through the code quickly. So basically, um, we've got this API endpoint, which we're getting the weather data from. So that's the API that the website provided, which is from Open Weather Map, and they get all the weather data from everywhere around the world. And then I've also got this API key, which is provided when you sign up an account with them. They provide you with the API key. So that's that. And I've also got this account SID and authentication token. So those are provided from, I'm using this service called Twilio. So I'm using I'm using the free account. So basically, I think their service is kind of like they allow you to send notifications, like whether it's SMS or voice service or something, using code. So I'm using a free account with them, which gives you like $15 you can use. So yeah, so they provide this information to you, and then we've got the Twilio. This is a Twilio phone number which they provide as well, on the free account. So basically, that's a US number that is used for testing purposes, so they can send you an SMS from. And then this is my number here. So all this OS get and stuff is I got an environment file set up outside of this project, so it's just accessing this information from that text file. And then here we've got the weather parameters. So we've got latitude, longitude, the app ID, and we've also got an exclude. So I'm just basically telling you here that I want to exclude the information for current, minutely, and daily. And so those are just parameters that are required from the API for Open Weather Map. And then here we're requesting information from Open Weather Map. We've stored that in response, so it's taking the endpoint, which is that website, and then it needs the parameters as well, which I've got here. So it's using that information, and then yeah, I'm just storing. So that information, when it returns, I'm storing it into another variable called weather data in JSON format. So I could probably print that out just to basically show what it looks like. Let me just get rid of all this stuff for now. I'll just comment out this stuff. Okay, so if I run that now, we'll just see what happens. So this is the information that it's retrieving from that website. So basically, I'm just getting the information from the last 12 hours, and that's what it's looking for. And I'm trying to target this ID here. So basically, the ID is what the weather event is. So I found that if the ID is like under 700, that means it's going to be like stormy weather or something. So I'm targeting that ID. Yeah, so basically what I'm doing with that data is I'm targeting the ID value, as I said. So if I run this one, I'll just show you. So basically what I've done here, I'm getting it for 0 to 11. So I want 12 hours of data. So go from 1 hour to 12. That's where the I is coming into it, and for the ID value. So this is going to print me the list of the values. So it's actually a good day to do it now because it's actually meant to be a lot of rain for the next few days. So in this event, I'm able to see these are the IDs that are coming out, 500, 500. So that might be like relating to a storm event or something, a rain event. So I'm targeting those values, and then basically, so when this program runs and it finds these values that are under 700, the next stage that it's going to do is, so I've got this new condition here, this will be the final part that I run. So basically, I've got this Boolean, so saying will rain. I've set it to false, and then we're just sort of slicing up that data that's coming out of that, and then it's looking at each hour data, and if it finds that the ID code is under 700, as I said before, so we had a few that were, we can see the 500s here. So we had a few that were 500, so that should trigger this event. And then so if it is under 700, then it's going to change that Boolean value to true. And then so if will rain is true, then it's going to execute this code here. So basically, this is the code that's going to be sending me the SMS message. So if I run this now, everything's ready to go, I think. So if I run this now, it's going to send me an SMS. So we'll just see what happens. And so yeah, so that finished. There was no errors or anything. And then shortly I should be receiving an SMS for this. I can even do another one and just say, it's going to rain today. We'll just put some emojis in here. That's a cloud with rain. Okay, so I'll just say it's going to rain today, and then I've got a couple emojis just for the heck of it. So it's going to send from the Twilio number to my number. So I'll just run that again now. Yeah, that executed successfully without any issues. So yeah, my phone's just buzzed, and I've received a SMS notification saying it's going to rain today. So yeah, that's it. All I want to show in this video. So thanks for watching.